This has to be so unbelievably shocking to you.
This never happens that a death penalty case is overturned. This is a high-profile death penalty case that the California Supreme Court has not only overturned the death penalty portion of it, but is now asking that the conviction itself be re-examined.
Now, it was less than 2 months ago that the courts overturned that death sentence, but the verdict was supposed to stay in place. So what exactly happened between then and now?
So now the California Supreme Court is demanding that the case go back to the trial court and determine whether one of the jurors, that's juror number 7, created prejudicial error when she failed to disclose that she actually had been the victim in a criminal case. So here's what happened. When you're a juror, you get asked potential questions to see if you can be fair and impartial. One of the things that she was asked was, has she ever been in any legal proceeding? Has she ever been a victim in a case? She answered no. But in reality, she actually had been the victim in a case where her ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend was harassing her. At the time, juror number 7 was pregnant and she got a restraining order against this person. So in theory, she was not telling the truth that she wasn't a victim before.
Right.
And Scott Peterson's lawyers said, it created prejudicial error because was she going to be fair knowing that Laci Peterson was pregnant at the time that she died? But let me share what I think my opinion is here.
Yeah.
So one of the things that Scott's attorneys stressed in their brief was that this juror was a holdout, meaning she wanted him convicted of first-degree murder for the unborn child who they had named Connor. Well, ultimately, he wasn't convicted of first-degree murder of the unborn child. He was convicted of a second-degree murder of the unborn child. Why is that important? Because certainly the prosecution is going to say she wasn't that convincing and it wasn't error because the rest of the jurors didn't agree with her anyway. Because ultimately, he was convicted of a second for the unborn child, not a first degree.
If they took away the conviction, would that mean a new trial?
If, in fact, the judge finds that there was prejudicial error so that Scott Peterson did not get a fair trial in 2005, he will be retried. There is no way that the San Mateo District Attorney's Office is not going to retry the case.